Welcome to my channel. Today we create fashion e-commerce poster design. So let's get started. First we go to File and take a page of 1080 by 1350. You can take as you like. Then I go to View option and I choose New Guide Layout. This is because I can set my images in composition. Then I take an image and I choose this black dark grunge background. Then I go to Levels to undark it because I don't like this harsh BG. I set these values like this, I think it's good. Now I put our main image into the above background and adjust its size. Then I put some text into it to make it better. I choose Montserrat font and put it extra bold and adjust it. Adjust bag. Also I change the color of text. I go to bag to layer to make a shadow to for depth into it. I also change the blending modes of text and also choose levels to adjust the lightness of text. Now it's time to add some more text and adjust their sizes. Next I make a path and put text into it. And then I place in a good side of our poster. And I already written some text I place into it to look our poster good. I go to our text carry bags and let's change its width. Now it's okay. I hope you like, so don't forget to subscribe my channel.